Oh, dude, this feels fucking great. Dude, these leathers are a game changer, bro. My legs are so warm right now. Holy shit. Shout out, Grandpa. We got new gloves for all the glove haters. They're not riding gloves, but they're pretty comfy. And I mean, they got a little bit of a little resistance shield there. They're meant for working on cars and shit, but you know. Get her some nice juice. Some nice new juice. We got a nice cop trailing us. Love to see it. I thought he was gonna pull me over. Suck a cock, dude. I am not dumb, sir. No, no, no. Alright, maybe now we can officially get this video started, baby. It's a little windy out, it's a little chilly, but we got some gloves, man. We're gonna be wearing gloves regardless of the weather, for all the glove haters out here, man. I'm having a great time. It's a good day. The sun, of course, went away as soon as I decided to come ride the bike. It's a nice 50-some degree day. We put our old mirrors back on. We got the new levers. They're working great so far. We've had no issues. I mean, shifts happen perfectly every single time. We got some leathers, some new chaps, thanks to my grandpa. He's a literal OG. I love him. He's like the best person in the world when it comes to everything. He does so much for me, and I appreciate him. So shout out him. He's like a big reason why I ride bikes. He's been a Harley dude for his whole life, and kind of got me into the whole concept of riding bikes. You know, I used to ride with him when I was younger, and my uncles and everybody, you know, I've talked about this before, they all ride bikes, so it fit me. Now we just need to get like a leather coat because I'm a little chilly right now, I'm not gonna lie. I got a undershirt on, I have a pullover on, I have a fucking button up flannel that's pretty thick, and then I have a coat over the flannel, and I'm still pretty chilly. My hands though, these gloves are doing a pretty good job of keeping me warm. I'll take that. My legs are great, dude. Honestly, I can't complain. I will say, I think this decibel deadener, when we're in 6th, it does a really good job of killing the sound. It's not horrible. You know, like, I feel like it's a lot quieter than it was when it was no deadener. So hopefully we don't have any issues and lose it. And yeah, man, I don't know, I enjoy it so far. I'm glad to be out on the bike and riding around. It feels like that end of the year, like going into winter rides. I think the last ride we had was in November, which is kind of crazy to think about, that we were still riding in November. Yeah. That was a really rough shift. It's a little windy, not too bad, just a little windy. I don't know, I'd say like maybe 5 miles an hour. Nice little ride through town. Do, 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 do. 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 always fun to go in town though. I feel like you're back in the day. Back in the day. $1800s type shit, you know? No idea where I'm going, kind of just like trying to switch it up a little bit than what I normally do. Let's go this way. Fucking eating the microphone, bro. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm here all week. Yeah. As somebody. We are in farmland. That's for sure. I really cannot tell if this decibel killer has done anything at all or if I'm just tripping. But, yeah, I don't know. I mean, it sounds a little quieter, but if that's the truth, I really don't know. I feel like I wanted to turn at that road, but we're just gonna keep going. We'll figure our way out. Sometimes it's okay to get lost and not know where you're going and just enjoy the ride. I miss riding, man. This is good. It's gonna be a good year. I can feel it in my giblies. Whoa, that was a big hole. Holy shit, we threaded the needle. I was afraid that would have fucked us up, bro. Oh my god. Shaking in my bones. The only thing that sucks is my cock is frozen. Everything else is fucking warm. But Jesus Christ, dude. Cold. I need that house. That yard is like snowboard paradise. Even like the access to that, holy shit. That's like that's a beautiful house. I want that. I want a house that's on a hill like that I can set up like a little ghetto generator tow rope on and then throw in some rails and shit, and then I don't have to leave the house to snowboard and spend ridiculous money to do the same thing at home, you know? It'd be cool. It'd be lit. Ooh, fun corners. I've never been over here. I'm scared to go fast. I don't know what's coming up. Yo, Oh, what's this little town? Paint Creek Animal Village. Okay. Nice. If those rails didn't go directly into a building, that'd be a fun rail to ride. Oh, what's this? Got all types of cool shit. Parks and Recreation Commission, ice cream. Nice, dude. I'll have to bring the girls over here one day. This is a nice area. Outside, they got a nice little creek. Ooh, it is brisk, baby. It is brisk. I have no idea where I am at. Oh my god. Silverbell Road. Wait, I know where I'm at. We're great. Oh wait, I think this is dirt. We're off-road adventure biking today. The Honda Rebel 500 versatility. Pavement, dirt roads, nothing can stop it. Dun 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 dun. Oh shit, we got turkeys crossing the road. Wow. Yo, we got a whole family of turkeys. Bunch of turkeys. Sorry to ruin your video. Look at all damn turkeys. Oh my god. Hella turkeys. The turkey man. Yo, this hill is scary. We're gonna hit the brakes for this. Yeet. Dude. Gotta pick our line properly here. Oh my god. What the fuck did I get myself into? We're just holding the brakes. Just holding the brakes. Just holding the brakes. Yeah. Just holding the brakes is really not that scary. We could probably give it a little gas. Yeah, it's okay. It's really not that scary. Don't be a pussy. We're good. We're fine. Yeah, we're fine. Haha, haha. Prep talk. I'm the greatest, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the greatest. Right? Yeah. We did it. I feel like once you get above 25, you start to like swervy a little bit, and I just don't like that. I don't like that vibe. That's a creepy old house. But it's in like the perfect location. I would love a lot. Like, see, my goal is to end up in the woods like this. Like I was saying, on a hill though, in the woods like this, and just vibing. Oh god damn. Oh god damn. Oh god damn. Oh god damn. Big old hole. We gonna avoid that. Alright, we made it to the pavement. And the speed limit is 50. Woo! Hell yeah. Oh my god. That was fun. I like that road. I didn't realize it came out over here though, so that's cool to see. I will say I'm starting to get a little bit cold. Starting to get a little chilly. Yeah, see, if we would have turned right at that one road, we would have ended up over here already. It worked out though. We got to go on a little bit longer of an adventure. Yeah, I don't think this decibel killer is doing much, man. My ears are fucking dead still. I feel like it's a little less piercing. It's just rumbly and farty now, but it's like a loud fart. It's not like an enjoyable fart cannon. Chilly. I feel like the wind is picking up too, bro. Fucking asshole. The lane ends, so you gotta fucking push me off the road. Fuck you. Haha. Not today. God, this bike's slow. We need faster. We need more speed. Everybody was right. Holy shit. I got like a year's use out of it, and I don't even want it no more. I want more. Get rid of this, get a Grom, and then get a fucking like 1100 or some shit. Honestly, not even though. I'd rather almost get like a CBR like 650 or some shit. Nothing like too crazy. Not a huge step up. And like more of a sporty bike, but like I do enjoy this bike quite a bit. I like just being able to cruise around and chill. Just in case our friend's trying to catch me up, I'm gonna just go slow, fuck it. What'd I say? He's sitting right there. I told you would try to catch me up. I told you he was gonna try to catch me up, bro. What'd I say, dude? What'd I say, bro? I hate the fucking cops around here, bro. It's literally been 30 fucking minutes and he's still in that same spot waiting for me, bro. What a little rat. Funny. But, yeah, as we're nearing the end of our ride here, hopefully you all enjoyed. We're about to get back out and make some bike content. The question is now, how do we make fun, exciting bike content? Maybe do some adventure type vlogs with it and all of that. Obviously we're still working on the cars. I just wanted to add a little bike video in the mix because we had time. I like these handles after having a whole ride with them. They're not as short as I was hoping for, to say the least. But yeah, man, I don't know, I enjoy them. They're nice, they look good, they feel good, they work good. I've not had any issues with them at all so far. The decibel killer thing, I honestly, I don't know. I am undecided on if it's helped at all. I might take it out and ride with it once just to see. Maybe do it in the same day type of situation where I ride with it and then I go do it again. I could get like a decibel tester of some sort and do it that way, but I don't really know the best option. So, but either way, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.